YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits, coming back at you in the shoebox. Hope everybody enjoying their day-to-day. You know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead and hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as, you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead and subscribe. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this healing content, so y'all leave them notification bells on. Yo, up next, you know your boy got to keep doing it. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this healing content. We got the Just Don, the Don C, the boxes right here. Shout out to RSVP Gallery again, man. RSVP Gallery out there in Chicago. This particular pair right here, let me show y'all the box. Ended up being limited. It dropped All-Star Weekend at the shop. Your boy blessed to have another pair. I love the box right off the top, how it says Force. It sticks out in 3D kind of, you can see it. Size 11, retail for $200 plus tax in your neck of the woods. You know what your boy say here. So that being out the way, let's go ahead and open the box up, fam. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, right off the top, it's hitting you with that Chicago blue colorway, the theme. I'm gonna explain right now. So basically, my boy Don C, it's a product of Chicago. He wanted to hit you with the Chicago colorway. Even though it's not the blue of the flag, he got close as possible. And then on the tongue real quick, just to show y'all the theme, here go the Chicago state flag. Once again, this is the Air Force One, but he mixed it with the Air Force 2 and 3, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm starting to see a little nods and hints of the 2 and 3, like this right here. He kept it classic with the Air Force bottom. You got the red here and the red here. We'll come around to the back. You see that? Man, come on, man. You got the Just Don around the back in red. Up top, you got the Force. And the good crocodile buttery leather. Maddie say buttery. I mean, Maddie, this is buttery. Even the strap. The strap is a little bit different. You can see how you got that grandma wrinkles. Versus the shoe itself. Let's pull this out here. I can see the leather on it. Now coming up here right in front of the lace lock, you got the red check, and then above that, you got that silver lace lock that says Don. Sheesh. Man, there's some heat here. Inside, it's all red satin, with all the way up to the ankles and to the tongue, and then you got the blue in the inside. Don't worry, we're gonna hit the wall. That's when we get a little detail with the shoe. Let's pull out the other one. Yeah, and this one says Just on it. So you got Just Don, Don Just, however you want to look at it. Of course, on the back, it's the same on the back. Man, I'm digging this. The strap is removable. That's why I do like the strap. It comes off. If you want to rock it without the strap, you can. If you want to rock it with the strap, you can. So what they call them in Chicago, we call them ones, and I think up top, they call them, what they call these, man? What y'all call them up top? Leave a comment below. I don't want to offend anybody. NYC, check in with the kid, man. What y'all call these things, man? Air Force ones. I know y'all got a special word for it. I want y'all to leave a comment below. I know how y'all rock. I know how I'm going to rock it. So look, y'all do me that favor. If you in NYC, if you upstate, what's the nickname you use for these Air Force ones? Up what? I know what they call. So let's go, man. Let's play around a little bit, man. I actually like this shoe. I really do. I know it's going for on StockX and GOAT. I hate keep saying their names, but that's what everybody want to go off these days. The shoe is up there, man. Resale value is you almost can make $400 off the shoe. The shoe is going for like $600-700. Don't worry, your boy will keep this pair, so do not ask. I had to bring back anything and everything that says Chicago on it. Don't worry, I got some more content on the way with some more Chicago shoes. Sheesh, man. Okay, this check too as well. Don't want to leave that out. You see, I got the red behind on the blue. Then you got the red behind it. I'm loving that. Little stuff like that makes the shoe actually sticks out. You can rock this with man. I rock this with a Cubs hat. Y'all tell me, well, that Cubs blue a little bit different. It'll probably be some of the them Bulls hats I was seeing in Chicago. They got a lot of merch to go with these shoes, especially with the color theme of All-Star Weekend. So it won't be that hard to find something. to go with these puppies. Sheesh. Okay, man. So you know what? We're going to hit the wall and get a little detail so I can show y'all detail on the shoe. Don't go nowhere. You never know what we're going to do around here. Gang, let's hit the wall. Yo, did you enter? Did you enter? Did y'all enter the giveaway? We did a retro pass. Go back and watch the video that says 3P. I left the description below. People are dropping their sizes and I appreciate it. If you're dropping your sizes, if you did not enter through Gleam, through the description I left below on that video, it does not count. Please do everything you need to do to get your entries. Enter through Gleam. The description is below on that video. It says Off-White 3P. Check it out. Check out the whole video. Enter. Then you go and drop your sizes. You know what we say around here, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Sheesh. Stop playing with us, man. There's still a whole lot of gang. Retro Mafia, we up next. Let's go.